There's a very common issue on freestanding Samsung fridge freezers. Water pools up in the base of the freezer and turns into ice. Sometimes this locks the bottom drawer into place. I'll show you how to fix it, no messing about. You'll need a screwdriver and a pair of snips. Pliers are handy if you've got them, but don't worry if not. Always turn machine off. There are a couple of screws in this back panel. Remove those and the back panel should release from the freezer. Don't rag it out though, it will have cables connected behind it and we don't want to damage any of those. There should be two connections, one for the sensor, one for the fan. Squeeze this little tab on them and they should release. Once that's done, we can move this back panel out of the way. This is what you should be seeing behind that back panel. That's our drain hole and it's blocked with a thick layer of ice. If your ice buildup is any worse than this, it could be a failed defrost heater. That's that brown metal bar. If yours looks like this one though, it's just a block drain and it's easily sortable. If we come round the back, that's the end of the drain hole into the freezer. Sometimes this rubber valve gets blocked with dust, causing this fault. Most of the time you can remove them to clean. On this one though you can't, so just give it a quick wipe to knock any dust out. We'll be coming back to this. Back round the front, we need to unblock that drain. Put a couple of towels down and go and boil the kettle. Ideally, we would be doing this with a steamer. It's safer, plus you can knock any dust out of that valve without removing it. Be careful with the kettle, don't knock the evaporator or throw boiling water onto it. These fridges do have a thermal fuse. If you trip that, the fridge won't work. Just pour the water directly into that drain. Be patient with it, don't go digging around with a screwdriver. If you pierce that evaporator, all the gas will leak out of the system and the fridge won't work. We're here to resolve problems, not to create more, so just be careful. You might be wondering what that little metal clip feeding into the drain hole is. This is Samsung's solution to preventing this issue. Most of the time though, it just don't work. I've got a better solution that should prevent this fault from coming back. For now, just keep feeding hot water into that drain. Eventually, after enough time, all of that ice in there should have melted, letting the water flow straight through. We can confirm this by again coming around the back to visually confirm that water passing through the valve. You should be pretty much done at this point. You can just refit the back panel and get on with your life. If you want a longer term solution though, go and dig out a bit of cable and grab your snips. We're going to be wrapping a length of copper wire around your defrost heater, feeding further down into that drain hole. This will conduct more heat down there, preventing ice from building back up. This is what Samsung tried to do with that metal clip. It just doesn't move enough heat down there to get rid of all that build-up. Sometimes you develop an issue like this, but wrapping a little bit of copper wire around it should prevent it from ever coming back. Working on fridges can be intimidating, so if you've worked on yours, well done. If you need any help, drop me a DM on Instagram or TikTok.